Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope you're all doing well. So today is something simple I did. So I want to match the smoke emblems I'm going to do on this car with the remote. If you remember, I got the carbon fiber cover here, which I like, and I like all the little details. So I don't really like the bright chrome. As you know, like the A-Spec kind of covers a lot of that. So I'm just going to smoke out the chrome emblem on the key fob here, and it'll flow with all the black chrome badges when I get those installed. So an easy way to do that is just to put the smoke vinyl that I use a lot, just put it over the emblem here, and instantly it looks better. It's the small things. It's nothing, like I said, nothing crazy, just something that I like to be cohesive throughout my build. I'll eventually do the center caps too, because I don't like how those are bright chrome. It doesn't really flow. So I might wrap those. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So I'll show you my other remote fob as well, so you can kind of compare it. Okay, so there's the factory one. Has just a little chrome emblem on the back side. And then here is the one I just wrapped. Like I said, it's very subtle since I use the light smoke tint vinyl, but it just darkens it up. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you the comparison. And then when I get those smoked, it'll all flow. Something I just had in my spare time. Just thought how I don't like bright chrome. Yeah, no one really sees the key, but it's just something that you can do. So there they are side by side. Like I said, you just get a little piece, just cut it a little square, put it on the remote, and then put your case back on it. And the emblem's flat too, so it's really easy. Just something subtle, nothing, like I said, nothing really exciting here. Just a neat way to keep all your parts looking the same. I like the smoke chrome look, especially I saw the emblems look really good. So now it just kind of flows together, and it'll match with this. So if you have some spare vinyl, throw it on there. Like I said, it's all cohesive. And I'll be doing the center caps soon as well. The emblems will get done. Anything chrome on here, I like to change just a little bit. I like that look. A little more aggressive look. A little different, add that little touch to it. And especially since there's not a whole lot of parts for these cars. Like the Acura, there was a ton. With this, I've noticed there's not nearly as much, so a lot of it you have to do yourself. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. I appreciate all your support. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody.